Welcome back to Bubba's Short Blips. Hey, I want to share with you today, we want to help you grow your pumpkin, and today we're going to share with you will take down a pumpkin faster than a squash vine borer, faster than a woodchuck, faster than a flock of cucumber beetles. Join us. We're going to show you right now what will take it down faster. Oh my God, the Vegmanity. Oh no, not Frankie. Oh, all right. It's October 7th. This pumpkin's been standing for a month. How long before it collapses? All right, anybody who made a guess, if it's after you are a winner. Come on, Jack. Wow, it's tougher than I thought. That pumpkin has been standing since October 7th we carved it. And people said, hey, you're carving it too early, Bubba. You're carving it too early. Now, I don't know. Did we carve it too early? Look at this thing. I don't do that. That bat will go bouncing through the window. What's the matter, buddy? Is your friend getting a beating? All right, what do you got now, Jack?
I'm back.
Jack is back. The baseball bat wouldn't do it.
Oh yeah, you're done, sir.
What does it take to take down a giant pumpkin? Well, here you go. This thing's still got a lot of life left to it. I'm simply amazed.
Oh, Frank got beheaded. Hey, poor Frankie. Oh, no.
Your turn, Grandpa.
All right. You're going down, baby. You're going down. It's all over. But the crying. All right, Jackson. We'll have to tag team this baby. She collapsed. It's official. Knock yourself. That bat. I think the bat's. There you go. Wow. So everybody that gets here, all winners, you'll get seeds. You pay shipping. I'll send you a set of seeds out of this. This pumpkin went 8% heavy. And we blew away the myth. Carving your pumpkin too early. There you go. How fun was that? All right, Jack. If you got a little bit too much energy, maybe you need to burn it off. Here you go. A little workout with the baseball bat ain't a bad way to go. That's right. What'll take down a pumpkin faster than woodchuck, faster than deer, squash vine borer? Jack and Bubba. Join us for more growing tips and to get your seeds at worldwidegiantgrowers.com. Get your giant pumpkin seeds and how to grow information. Check out our videos. All right, thank you. Oh, thank you very much. All right, Jack. I can't believe the thickness of some of these chunks. This thing was 8% heavy. Look at this